Lightyear into infinity and beyond, and there's also a remote control. Well, now it's already off. Hi guys, today we're doing an unboxing video with my friend. This is my friend's gift that I gave him, and we're doing an unboxing look. First, we unbox, and the toy is a BUZZ LIGHTYEAR. And features is it could be able to transform wings if you press this cool button. It could also say into infinity and beyond, and there's also a remote control. So it's flying? Yeah. Maybe that says the buzz. No. You gotta get it ready. It's not on yet. See that sound? There's an on button on the other side. And you know, I used to have this BUZZ LIGHTYEAR playset. Okay, so now let's go get the scissors. First, you need a grown-up help when you're doing this stuff. Okay. So first, I'm gonna do the remote, and my friend is gonna cut up the BUZZ LIGHTYEAR. No, don't cut that part. Cut the side. Already off. So also there's supposed to be a screwdriver in this tiny hole right here. We already screwed it out, and now we gotta put the battery. So guys, we're gonna go get the batteries, okay? So guys, that's my friend. He's putting the batteries in. I already put the batteries in now. Yeah, you're gonna put the batteries. We don't need this. Yeah, we don't need that. I'm sorry I gave you the wrong answer, but we know only 3 batteries. And then we gotta get the screw. Now we don't know where our nail is, okay? So we gotta be really careful, okay? And now we're screwing it back. Okay? It's really hard. And guys, if you don't know how to do this, you could ask your parents. Yeah, you could ask your parents if you don't know how to do this. It's fine. Yeah, but it's fine, but we're doing it by ourselves because we're small enough to do it ourselves. Okay, yeah. Guys, then if you're doing any project, you have to put the stuff that you don't need away. And I'm gonna put that BUZZ LIGHTYEAR, and I'm gonna put my friend's BUZZ LIGHTYEAR in the box because maybe it'll be fixed.